Hello everybody, I am Dr. Rajiv Singla. I am a consultant endocrinologist at Kalfrix Healthcare, which is situated at Dwarka. I deal in endocrine problems which are related to hormones inside our body, and that includes diabetes. Now the topic that we want to discuss today is what should I expect if I have diabetes, then what should I expect in long term from my own body vis-a-vis complications, and how does it gel with my own life, day-to-day life that I have. Now see, the aspects which can be affected with diabetes in our life would be one, that is my life expectancy affected? Is my quality of life going to get affected? Really no. If you ask me, if we are taking good care of our diabetes, if our diabetes stays in control for years and years together, there is no way that we can think that our life expectancy would be shortened or there would be any poor quality of life that we lead. It is not necessary that if somebody's got diabetes, then they are bound to have any of those complications. Those complications only happen if their diabetes is not as well controlled as it should be. Now the second question that comes to our mind is my personal life, is my professional life going to get affected with diabetes? I'm going to manage this diabetes in day-to-day life. See, what we have to think of this is an additional thing, additional character in our personality that we have, and then we just need to adjust little bit, only a little bit in our day-to-day life, right? So it's not that somebody with diabetes is have to eat 6 times in a day, and let me tell you, that's the most prevalent myth that's around there. So it's really not necessary. You have to go about your professional duties as you go. Only thing is that diet and exercise has to go. If we are on medications, those medication has to go. We need to know while we are traveling, while we are at work, how do we adjust our diet, how do we inculcate that exercise schedule in our own work schedule. And then of course you can go to your doctor, ask for specific inputs as to if you're traveling, if you're staying, if you're holidaying, what are the diet inputs, how would you manage your diet, how would you manage your exercise. So all those things are doable, right? All those things are practical in life. Again, your personal life, we don't feel that it's going to get affected. People feel that their sexual life is going to get affected, their capacity to work, their capacity to exercise, their stamina is going to go down. That's really not true. If we are doing very well vis-a-vis our diabetes, again your personal life is also not going to get affected. Of course, we can't say that it's not going to put an economic burden on us. Yeah, there is going to be some economic impact because the medications are there which we need to buy, and then but if you ask me, food wise, no, really we don't need to go out for all those flashy fancy foods which are there. A day-to-day normal routine which is a home cooked food, an Indian homemade cooked food is a very good food for diabetes, if you ask me, if we do take care of kind of how to make it and slight changes in the way we have that food. Now diabetic medications now are becoming cheaper day by day. It's not that there are few medications which are newer and because they take some time to be developed, so they are costly to start with, but the cost of them go down as kind of they become little older. So if of course there is going to be some economic burden on us, not as much as it is going to impact again your day-to-day life or your working life in any way. So overall, in the nutshell, it's our own frame of mind that we think impacts us more than the diabetes does itself. Only thing that we need to understand is that just take care of it a little bit, little tweak here and little tweak there is going to make management of this diabetes much more easier in your day-to-day life, rather than just thinking about some potential complication which may happen, which will not actually happen if everything is going well, if we are doing everything that we can do for managing this diabetes. Thank you.